Hello students, how are you? At first, I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Saima Kaniz Muna, lecturer in English, Kutupur Degree College. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Today I also present on your online classes, and today I will discuss about the topic of modifier. In your previous class, I also discussed that the term is very long and huge items here we find. So, I will discuss this topic to you part by part. So, I will discuss about modifier part 4, and it indicates post modifier, and today I will discuss about post modifier, and in that term post modifier I also discuss about prepositional phrase. In your previous classes I also discussed this term in a little version, and now I will discuss about in details. So, at first we have to know that what is prepositional phrase. Remember what is prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase, remember prepositional phrase is a phrase which starts with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. Remember, once again I also say prepositional phrase is a phrase which starts with a preposition. It starts with a, remember, it starts with a preposition. It starts, but ends with a noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun. So, what is prepositional phrase? Prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. Now, let's proceed. One thing you have to remember that here we find another option. The prepositional phrase starts with, remember, it's different. Prepositional phrase starts with a preposition. Once again, preposition starts with preposition, but ends with not noun or pronoun, also ends with another preposition. It also called prepositional phrase. It starts with preposition and ends with preposition. Ends with preposition. It also called prepositional phrase. Like by dint of. Here we find by indicates a preposition that is starts, and here we find another preposition of. Ends by this preposition of. So, we also call that prepositional phrase also indicates another term by another type that starts with a preposition and ends with another preposition. It also called prepositional phrase. One more example, in order to. Here we find two preposition. Starts with a preposition and ends with another preposition. It also called prepositional phrase. Now, I will make it clear to you by using some examples, like I saw an I saw an old man dash. In bracket, use a use an prepositional phrase to post modify the noun. So in your bracket here indicates the direction. I saw an old man. I saw an old man dash. In your bracket we find that use a prepositional phrase to post modify the noun. Here old man indicates noun. Remember, old man indicates noun and we will have to post modify that noun by using prepositional phrase. By using prepositional, look, by using prepositional phrase we will post modify the noun. Here old man indicates a noun. In your previous classes, when we use pre-modify, then we find blanks before noun. But now today in your post modifier, here we find the blanks or direction after the given noun in your question. So what will be the question answer? I saw an old man with Sohel. So I saw an old man with Sohel. Here with Sohel indicates prepositional phrase, and another option we will write that under the tree. We will also write another answer. I saw an old man under the tree. So here under indicates preposition and the tree indicates noun, and here also with indicates preposition and Sohel indicates noun, that indicates a name. So here we find that prepositional phrase starts with preposition and ends with a noun, and in that question answer here we also find that under, that indicates another preposition and the tree indicates a noun. So here it's clear that here we find prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with a noun. And now I will give you another example. Sheikh Shadi, I think you know the name. Use a prepositional phrase in the question. Here we find that Sheikh Shadi began to put the food. Here we find a blank. Use a prepositional phrase. Here the direction of the bracket. So the direction, use a prepositional phrase to post modify. to post modify the food. So what about the answer? Sheikh Sadi began to put the food into his pocket. Now it shows the full meaning of the sentence. Sheikh Sadi began to put the food, remember here it indicates post modifier, into his pocket. So here we find that into indicates a preposition and pocket indicates noun. So it's clear that prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with a noun. I think it's clear to you. And now I will discuss about infinitive phrase. Infinitive phrase, so at first we have to know that what is infinitive phrase. Remember what is infinitive phrase? When we use to, before a verb, it's called infinitive. And the verb must be V1, the base form of verb. So once again I want to say that what is infinitive phrase? Infinitive phrase starts with to, and after to here we find a verb, the base form of verb like V1. So we can say that 2 plus V1, that actually indicates infinitive phrase. And now I will give you some example. Here I use a name, Rima went to market. Post modify the verb with an infinitive. It's not the verb, it actually noun. So Rima went to market, and in the sentence, in the bracket, here we find the direction post modify the noun with an infinitive, or by using an infinitive. By using an infinitive, we will post modify the noun, and here we find the blank before that noun. So what will be the answer? Rima went to market to buy dress. So the complete sentence is Rima went to market to buy a dress. Another option we can use here, to meet her brother, or to meet her friends. So here we can use the term to buy a dress or to meet her brother or to meet her friends. So Rima went to market to buy a dress. On the other hand, we also say that Rima went to market to meet her brother. And another option we can use here, Rima went to market to meet her friends. And I will give you another example. We eat post modifier by using infinitive. Here we find dash. So what about the question? Here we can say that we eat. What about we eat? We eat to get energy, or another option it would be we can use here to be active. So here we can use more options if you like. So the full answer is we eat to get energy or to be active. And now I think that the term is clear to you. So today no more today students. I will see you in your next classes. Till then, Allah Hafiz.